Hey, this is Mike, and today I want to show you my three stock picks for November. I did this series, I started it last month around this time. I believe I did it on the 20th of September, so I will do this series on the 20th of October for my November picks. So before I dive into my November picks, I wanted to show you how my picks did for last month. So last month I picked Tesla, Walmart, and GameStop. Tesla returned almost 1%. Walmart did a little better with a plus 3% return, and GameStop did really great with a 26% return. It could have been more like a 40% return, but GameStop has had a really bad last couple of days. But overall, if you combine all these stocks, the portfolio return is plus 9.8% versus the S&P 500 plus 1%. So that was a great outperformance, and hopefully I can be able to continue that outperformance. So I'm going to show you my three stock picks, and you'll notice a theme, and all three stock picks really um, talks about e-commerce, the Santa Claus rally, and holiday shopping. So the first pick is going to be Pinterest, stock symbol PINS. So why am I picking Pinterest? It is a huge browsing site. People go there to get ideas for visual stuff, but it also is a great place for shopping. What I also love about Pinterest is they're getting a lot of ad revenue because the average user of Pinterest is pretty high income. It's women. They make on average about $75,000 a year or more. So they're looking at high end stuff. There's going to be a lot of traffic, but I think this is where the edge that Pinterest is going to have over other social media sites like Facebook and YouTube and all that is not contaminated. And what I mean by contaminated is that it doesn't have a lot of personalities that can be very divisive. There's nothing really about the election that's going to be going on Pinterest. It's all pure like browsing for stuff, impulse buying, shopping. It's all about aesthetics. And because of that, I think Pinterest is going to do really well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what Pinterest is looking like right now. I had a big day yesterday. Over the past month, the chart has been really strong. And over the past 6 months, the stock has been really, really strong. Its 52-week high is 53.87. It's at 52.52, so it's above the 50-day moving average, and it's knocking on the door of the 52-week high. And once it busts through the 52-week high, it should have a clear sailing forward. So I'm very bullish on Pinterest for the next month. I think it's going to be one of the top performing stocks as we kick into the Santa Claus rally. And as you can tell, even with the sell-off, the stock remained resilient in the past couple days. So definitely Pinterest is a strong stock to look at for the month of November. My number two pick is going to be Shopify. Now, Shopify, for those who don't know, it's a company that allows you to set up your own site to do e-commerce, and the stock symbol is SHOP. It's been a hot stock, and this is a stock that's definitely going to have a lot of big fourth quarter potential. There are going to be a lot of people who will be opening up Shopify stores just to sell in the fourth quarter. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are going to be really huge for Shopify. They're going to get a lot of business. Like I said, it's the top place for independent e-commerce sellers. And with Shopify, there's no real competition. I mean, you do have sites like Wix and whatever, but Shopify is so far ahead of everybody else. They essentially have a monopoly for independent e-commerce selling sites. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Shopify chart. If I can learn how to spell shop. Okay, so here you go. Shopify, again, had another big day yesterday. It was up 4%. Now, the 1 month chart is pretty, not that impressive. And the 6 month chart is not that impressive. But what I really like is the price action yesterday. A lot of people are starting to jump on the Shopify bandwagon. I think that's going to continue for the next month. People want to get in ahead of Black Friday. And I think that's going to continue throughout the entire month of November. So definitely take a look at Shopify as a stock that will outperform. And finally, stock number three is going to be Alibaba. This is another e-commerce related site. And this Alibaba is the top Chinese e-commerce site. Basically, if you are a manufacturer or a retailer in China, you put your listings on Alibaba, and then you have companies from the United States and around the world who buy products from Alibaba so they can resell them in the United States or in other countries. So it's just huge, and like Shopify, it's dominant, the dominant player. There is really no competition for Alibaba, so you're basically buying into a monopoly for the holiday season there's no reason why Alibaba can't continue to be a huge performer. The stock ticker is BABA, BABA. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the Alibaba stock. And there's another stock that was strong yesterday. It was up 3.35% over the last month. The stock, beautiful, strong for the past month. The past 6 months, look at straight rocket up. And this is only going to continue through the month of November. As we go into Black Friday, there's going to be a lot of people shopping. And they're going to be shopping at e-commerce stores run by Shopify. And where do Shopify sellers get their products from? Probably most of them get them from Alibaba. So definitely let's go ahead and review the 3 stocks that I'm picking for November. It's going to be Pinterest, stock symbol PINS, and Shopify stock symbol SHIP, and finally Alibaba stock ticker BABA. So if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and leave a like on it. It'll help more people discover this video, and go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and turn on notifications because I do multiple updates on stocks in the stock market each and every day. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.